Hello, everyone. My name is Daryl Kagan. I'm one of the product training coordinators at Wellness Living. Businesses will now have an option to prevent double billing of package items if said components have different expiry dates set up in the system. When creating or editing a package purchase option, staff members can now set the expiration to auto-renew and cancel current package contents, which will allow the package purchase option to auto-renew, cancel the original items, and add fresh items to the package to avoid duplicate charges. For example, with this selected, if a business sells a VIP package purchase option which contains two separate memberships, upon auto-renewal, the two memberships will expire and new versions of those memberships will be added to the client's account. With auto renew and do not cancel current package contents selected, the package's auto renewal will act as it did prior to this improvement. And finally, if the package purchase option has enable client control selected, then clients will be able to toggle on or off the cancel current package contents upon auto renew from the online store by accessing the purchase option details.